Hello, next community. I thought I'd show you some of the 3D projects I'm printing out here. So I've got these impossible Christmas trees that are pretty neat. Be dropping little trinkets in for my customers. I'll get that guy later. We'll put him in the sleigh for now. And I got nice next logos I'll be throwing in. We've got the tree. They're printing up another Santa as we speak. And so this is pretty neat. So these 3D printers, I'm going to change out all the glass. So I've got this green tempered glass, and I'm going to convert it into a laser etcher, and we'll have like a smoke machine to dissipate the smoke. So this is kind of a fun little kit. So I'm working on that. And this should be really neat to show you guys. I keep forgetting that I have the dual purpose now, so yay. So at any rate, we swap out the glass because you don't want to look directly into the laser light, so it's a green tempered glass. Then we attach the laser module and everything. I may make a video showing how all that works. It'd be kind of cool. And so it'll be a dual purpose system, and we should be able to do some fun stuff there as well. Stay tuned, more cool stuff to come from the black hole. Merry Christmas.